Once a symbol of raw speed and untamed engineering, this Ferrari F40 now rests beneath the dust. The identity remains. Even after decades of silence, the badge still remembers what this machine was built to be. After years of silence, the journey begins again. Not under its own power, but carried forward by intent. Time leaves its mark on every surface. Every crack, every streak, tells a story written slowly. This is where silence ends. Not with speed or noise, but with light, patience, and purpose. Every revival begins with preparation. Before the work comes respect for what remains. The first touch is always gentle, not to erase the past, but to reveal what still survives beneath it. Layer by layer, the surface begins to breathe again. Not rushed, just carefully covered.
Clarity is never forced. It returns gradually, one careful motion at a time.
What was hidden begins to clear. Even the smallest spaces deserve the same patience.
With the foam gone, the shape returns. Clean lines, honest surfaces, ready for what comes next.
Drying is where patience shows. No rush, just letting the surface settle.
Every door holds a memory. Opening it again feels like waking something that never truly left.
This car was built with purpose. Every bolt, every bracket, nothing extra, nothing hidden.
Years of use leave their mark. Removing the seat feels less like disassembly and more like uncovering a history.
Quiet work brings the biggest change. Bit by bit, the space begins to feel alive again.
Every small fastener holds a story. Removing it carefully is how restoration truly begins. Behind every gauge is a network of trust. Disconnecting it gently ensures everything finds its way back. This is the heart of the cabin. Lift it slowly, and you preserve not just parts, but history. Time hardens plastic, but patience keeps it intact. Every clip released cleanly is a small victory.
Even the parts you never see remember every mile. Cleaning them brings the whole machine back to balance. This is where driver and machine connect. Removing it gently is a reminder of how closely they once worked together.
Old layers resist letting go. Peel them patiently, and the car reveals what time tried to hide.
Before anything is rebuilt, the truth has to be seen. This floor tells you exactly what the car has lived through.
Dust hides where hands cannot reach. Air reveals everything the metal has been holding on to.
With everything removed, the car finally speaks honestly. This is the foundation, stripped down to nothing but purpose. Clean metal is a reset point. Every careful wipe prepares the surface for a new beginning.
Organization is respect. When every part has a place, the rebuild becomes precise instead of rushed.
That sound isn't luxury, it's honesty. Thin metal, lightweight, and nothing unnecessary between driver and machine.
This is the reason the world remembers the F40. Even at rest, the engine carries the weight of everything it once delivered.
This is the pause between what was and what will be. Stripped, cleaned, and waiting, ready to become legendary once again.
Rust is time made visible. Sanded away carefully, and the strength beneath returns.
Protection starts before rebuilding. Treat the metal now, and time loses its grip.
Lifting the car reveals its backbone. This is where strength lives, hidden beneath the beauty.
Rubber tells the truth before metal does. These cracks show exactly where time has taken its toll. New bushings restore the language between road and chassis. Quiet, precise, and ready to carry motion again. Each piston tells a story of pressure and heat. Cleaned and renewed, they will soon translate force into flawless stopping power. Gentle pressure is all it takes. Oxidation fades, and the caliper's original strength begins to show again.
Fresh seals go in by hand. Perfect alignment here ensures pressure, balance, and reliability when it matters most.
Every bolt is tightened to exact specification. This is where precision becomes safety, and safety becomes confidence.
Years of dirt wash away underneath. This is the foundation. Clean metal tells the real story.
Every drop is cleared away. Dry metal means protection, precision, and a clean start for what comes next.
That sound isn't luxury, it's honesty. Thin metal, lightweight, and nothing unnecessary between driver and machine.
Every fastener is torqued with intention. This click isn't sound, it's certainty. Back on its feet again. Every component settles into place exactly as it should.
This is the heart of the machine. Carefully suspended, every connection planned before it returns home.
These turbos tell their own story. Heat, pressure, and time, all written into the metal.
With the covers removed, the engine shows its truth. Precision parts, working together, built for performance.
With the covers removed, the engine shows its truth. Precision parts, working together, built for performance.
Carbon build with every mile. Removing it brings the engine back to balance, breath, and efficiency.
Perfect sealing starts here. Every gasket must sit exactly right. No shortcuts. Turbo rebuilds demand absolute cleanliness. Every bearing here spins at extreme speed, and perfection is the only option.
Assembly is never rushed. Every bolt follows a sequence. Every movement builds reliability into the engine.
Airflow depends on precision. Even clamping here keeps boost stable and performance consistent. The engine returns home. Every mount, every angle, this moment defines the build.
Alignment come before power. Every millimeter here shapes the sound that follows.
Every bolt is set. Every line is clean. This engine is ready to breathe again.
Every wire follows its original path. Precision here ensures reliability, just as Ferrari intended.
This dashboard has waited years to return home. Every movement now is measured, because precision here defines everything that follows.
Every gauge tells a story. Seating them back in place means restoring the Ferrari's heartbeat, one connection at a time.
After years of silence, the lights return. This soft glow is more than illumination.
The seat returns to its place, low and purposeful. This is where the driver becomes part of the machine, locked in, ready to feel everything.
One final click. This isn't just tight, it's correct. Every setting here ensures the driver's safety and the car's balance.
Piece by piece, the interior comes back together. When every clip seats cleanly, the door feels solid again, just as Ferrari intended.
Even the smallest details matter. Clear glass means nothing stands between the driver and the road ahead.
This badge is more than a symbol. It's a signature, placed only when everything beneath it is finally right. This badge is more than a symbol. It's a signature, placed only when everything beneath it is finally right. A proper seal does more than keep the weather out. It preserves the cabin, the silence, and the feel of the car as it was meant to be.
One final pass. This is where the work disappears, and the Ferrari simply shines.
Alignment matters here. When the wheel slides on smoothly, you know every step before it was done right. Click by click, the wheel is locked in. This rhythm isn't rushed, it's precision, ensuring the Ferrari rolls exactly as it should. The final touch is subtle, not glossy. A clean satin finish keeps the tire looking purposeful, exactly how the F40 was meant to sit.
This is the moment it returns to its feet. Balanced, settled, and ready. Exactly how the F40 was designed to stand.
One press.
There it is. Not rushed, not forced. Just a steady heartbeat returning to a machine built for purity.
No drama, just a calm pulse of heat and sound. Proof that the heart of the F40 is alive again.
Everything in its place, clean, tight, and ready. This is what perfection looks like before motion.
Precision lives in the smallest details. Even the badge deserves perfection.
A symbol reborn. Every reflection tells the story of craftsmanship.
Perfect balance. Every rotation, smooth and true.
After the silence comes the light.
Finished, exactly as it was meant to be.